Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake layers. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for better emulsification. Prepare your cake pans by greasing them with butter or baking spray, then dust with flour, tapping out any excess. This prevents sticking and ensures a clean release. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, allowing it to reach and maintain the correct temperature before baking. Next, combine your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and salt in a separate bowl. In another bowl, cream together butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Gradually add eggs, one at a time, then alternate adding dry ingredients and milk, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared pans and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let your cake layers cool in their pans for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows them to firm up slightly, preventing breakage when you remove them. Carefully invert the cakes onto a wire rack and let them cool completely for at least 1 hour. Once fully cooled, use a long serrated knife or a specialized cake leveler to trim any dome tops, creating flat, even surfaces for stacking. Now it's time to assemble your cake. Place your first leveled layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Spread an even layer of frosting over it, then top with the next cake layer. Repeat this process, then apply a thin crumb coat of frosting all over the cake to trap any loose crumbs. Chill the cake for 15 to 20 minutes, then apply your final, thicker layer of frosting. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.